Alright, now we are going to see how to use a pie chart. So I've seen in this example before, we have this pie chart which is showing the value in percentage and also the value as an integer. And this value is coming from the PLC tag. So for example, if I change this value here, you can see the value changes here. Now it's 46. So PLC speed 2, PLC speed 1 is 44. So this is 44 here. So if I make it more, you can see the value is changing here. And this value is actually coming from the database. So you see this database has a table. So value 20, 45, 49. So the ID one is 20, then 45, then 49, then 3, 77. So the value is coming in integer as well as percentage. This percentage calculation is automatic. Okay, so we have to see how to make this pie chart. This is quite similar to what we already did with a bar chart, but I would like to explain you as well. So we are here in this window. This is the window which we are creating. So, I can make this pie chart here. So let's take a pie chart. Now this first pie chart I want to make with the PLC tag. So I will just take the comment, paste it here. Copy, paste here. So this is pie chart from PLC tag. And in a similar way, I will check this pie chart and select the data. And here I have to select two data, so I will delete this column and this column. So I will make a new column and its name is speed, column 0, and this is string, and another column which is value. This value is integer, and 2 rows. So here speed 1 and this is speed 2, and these values are 0 by default. That's no problem. So this is my pie chart, and now I have to link the data. So I will go to cell update and I have to select the value. So adding a value, this is what we have done before, so just a similar way. Speed 1 and this value is speed 2 here. And you press OK and you have your pie chart. This is quite easy, and you can change the color from here as well, and you can basically show the legend, and you can show the legend label, and this is the pie chart, and this is 3D pie chart, and that's the ring. So it depends upon how you want to show the pie chart. This is the representation. And if you want to see the live value changing, this is 46 and this is 72. So 72 is my speed 1, this one, so I can increase it and you see the values increasing, and this is 46. So our pie chart is working, bar chart is working based on PLC tag. Next is we have to make pie chart based on database. So I will rather maybe make it bigger and put this down. Bar chart is here. So I will take another pie chart from here, and this time I will give it a database linkage. So I will go to its data and just put an SQL query, select my database, polling rate could be 1 second, select star from sys.test, click OK. So now these are the value coming from this test. So you can see that this is similar to this one. So this is blue, this is my first one, and this is 25. So one is 25, here it's red. You can also make the color similar, because here you can select the colors. So the first one is blue, so I will select maybe blue. Second one is red, third one is green, fourth one is yellow, fifth is orange, and the next one is this one. So now the color is similar. This is blue, red. So you can see that the pie chart is also quite easy. I will write here pie chart from database. Okay, so that's how you can make a pie chart. So I hope this example will give you enough idea about, if you have some information, how you want to represent it in your SCADA screen. You can do by simple charts, in a real time, bar charts or pie charts, or just the table if you like, or you can do combination of all these. Okay, so this was about how to use pie charts. Now I think you have learned enough way to represent the data. And I will continue with some industrial example where I'll be using maybe a conveyor system or a liquid level monitoring, and we'll be using buttons, indicators, how to put the value in the charts, and how to move the value in the database as well. That we will see in the industrial examples. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.